All right, man, so I had to put the hoodie on, man. I just couldn't contain myself. What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. So I'm back with another video today, man, and I don't know if you can see it in the frame or not, but behind me, we got a little, got a few boxes back here, man. I know I always talk about in the intro, fashion, sports, life, and culture. And for the most part, you see shorts on my YouTube Shorts feed that are just strictly dedicated to sports, right? Then when you come to the channel and you look at my long form, you've seen some vlog content, you've seen a ton of sneaker reviews, which is in the fashion category, but I always tell people I'm not a sneaker collector. I'm not like a sneaker head. Regardless of what you guys may believe, I love fashion. And I also plug my clothing brand a lot on these videos that I do. But one thing I have failed to do is bring to you a video that it was directly connected to my clothing brand, which is Raw Melon Apparel. Link is in the description below. If you want to hit the link, go over there, go check it out. Go check out the website. My new drop just arrived, man. So that's what this video is about, man. We're going to talk about what happens once you get your drop from your manufacturer, once it gets delivered to you. What is the next step? I'm going to at least tell you what my next steps are. Let's get into it right now. So first things first, gang, man, when you get your package, if you're anything like me, I've been super impatient during this process just because I've been dealing with this manufacturer for, I would say, probably about 6 months. So I've done a few drops with this manufacturer before, and he's typically really good with his communication. That has checked off every box, like as far as like reaching out to me, giving me updates, video calls, pictures, anything that I asked for. This dude, he come through with it. You know what I'm saying? Even walking me through his warehouse and stuff like that, just unnecessary stuff. But he does everything that I asked for. Then when it comes to, just the garment details, he's always communicating with me on the garment details. And what I mean by that, I'm talking about the type of fabric that he's going out to get for me. He's giving me questions and options, and maybe it was something I forgot on my mock-up, and he'll question me and ask me about it before he puts it in production. So I've had a great manufacturer during this process. But the one thing, man, that I'm gonna tell most people, bro, that's getting into the clothing brand industry, you just starting the brand, is you gotta be patient, gang. Like, you really gotta be patient. And that's something that it's a quality that I've been trying to work on for a long time. I'm a very impatient person. I like to get things when it's time for me to get them, or at least when I want them. And so that gets me into the number one thing I think you guys need to understand, and that's to have some patience. You gotta have some patience during this process. All right, so enough about all of that, man, because for real, I've been rambling, man, just because I'm super excited to have this in hand. But even more excited to bring this to you guys right here on the channel. This is a live unboxing of my brand. And I just want y'all to know, like, this is how much I rock with y'all, man. Like, for real, I was gonna take this to IG first, because usually I'll get on IG Live, which I probably still will, get on Instagram Live and do some stuff. But I'm bringing it to y'all first because, y'all the family, man. It's Mud Talk family. So let's get into this box, man. I got a couple boxes behind me. We're gonna open one of these, and I'm gonna show y'all. Matter of fact, I think y'all wanna see me try one on too? Should I try one on the video? I think I'm gonna do that too. Like, I'll try one on. Eventually I'll bring you a styling video as well, but today, it is Valentine's Day, man, and we putting in this work today, man. We put in a lot of work. But I'm gonna unbox this real quick. Let's get into the unboxing. All right, man. Woo. Box a little bit heavy, gang. I ain't even gonna lie. Some heavyweight merch in here, man. Heavyweight merch, and shoot, man, I about bit my fingernail back. I've been going through with my fingers this week, gang. Like, I cut my finger. I need something to open this with. Grab some keys, man. The old key trick always worked, man. The key trick always worked. All right, boom. Get that open. Said it worked. Okay, there we go. All right, man. Woo-hoo. Okay. All right, so low key, I want to get to my size first, y'all. Like, that's crazy. Like, in order to get to my size, I'm gonna have to go through a lot. So, hold on. As you can see, oh, that actually didn't take that long. That's crazy. They must have mixed it up. All right, so you see the packaging. This is something that I sent to my manufacturer in advance. This Raw Melon logo going across, well, in this font. I can always change this up, and I think I will in the future. And it's also on my custom hang tag as well, the same font, the same format. But if you got a good manufacturer, all you need to do is really send them the information on what you want it to look like. I stuck with it just because I think the black is clean and it's classic. It's very simple, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna stick with that for now, even though my design is a little bit different. I got an XL right here. So what I used, and if you guys haven't already, go follow Raw Melon Apparel on Instagram. Link is in the description below. And you'll see the mock-up for this hoodie. But what I failed to do was put up the mock-up for the black one. So I kept a little bit of, what is it, a surprise factor, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people heard about the black. I put a poll up about the black, but nobody really for real saw the black until I started posting videos of the production of the black. So now y'all about to see it right now, and I'm pulling out my size because for real, I want to try it on, gang. I want to try it on. All right, boom. So we got that. As you can see, custom hang tag right there. Raw Melon Apparel. Also, right there on the inside, custom tag on the inside says Raw Melon as well. As you can see, that's an extra large. And I did use the essential size chart for this hoodie. So if you wear or you own an essentials hoodie, it's gonna fit like that. That's how I wanted my hoodie to fit. If you're in the clothing industry and you want your clothes that you're about to put into production to fit similar to a brand that you like, you just need to find that size chart or create a size chart of your own, which is not that hard. It just requires you getting your favorite garment that you own, measuring it, and getting the width and the chest and all of that stuff. Anyway, I found one online, so it was already made for me. I didn't have to do that. And that's what I based this hoodie off of. So I wear extra large in this because I know I wear extra large in essentials. It has the drop shoulder fit. As you can see, it starts right here. It doesn't start up here. But let's get into it, man. I think I'm gonna try this on, actually. I'm gonna try this on for real because I just wanna wear it. I wanna wear it. All right, man, so I had to put the hoodie on, man. I just couldn't contain myself. So if you know, the hoodie that I had on before this was actually one of the Raw Melon hoodies that I dropped last year. I'm talking about the quality of it is phenomenal. I actually decided to crop that particular hoodie that I had on. I did not put those into production to be cropped, but after having a few left over after selling a good amount, I was like, you know what? Let me crop this hoodie and see what it looked like. And it actually came out fire, so I wear it all the time. I'm talking about the quality is on the level of like a Carhartt type material, so it's up there. I'm always going for quality. I'm always going for quality. And so that's the number one thing I want people to know about my brand is that a lot of people, they're gonna see your prices and it just depends on what type of stuff you're producing. And they're gonna say, your stuff might cost too much or this, that, and the third. Listen, man, if the quality of your work is worth the price that you're putting on it, the customers that are for you are going to pay for your product. And so that's just something that I want to tell people because that's one of the number one things I come across with my brand is that people say, oh, it costs, I gotta be rich to shop with you. I'm like, listen, man, it's not that deep. I watch y'all spend money on cheaper hoodies, a lot more than what I'm asking for. You know what I'm saying? And I know that my design and my quality is built to last. So let's get into some of the breakdown on the design of the actual hoodie. As you can see, it says Raw Melon. We got the flame kind of right there on the M. You know, a dope little feature I like to add on there, you know what I mean, during the design process. Shout out to the person that helped me get this design. But we got the R, we're gonna say that's for restricted. Some people might say rated R. And it says restricted right here, must be fly. Of course, gang, you gotta be fly if you're gonna put this on. We got the hidden side pockets, crop bottom, really, really big hood. Like I told you, super big hood. I know y'all like big hoods, no small hoods. That's covering my hat and everything for real. So that's a big hood right there. Let me fix my mic and everything, make sure I'm good. I still got the tag on this joint. We got the stars going down here on each sleeve. Also, man, it's that puff print, man. It's that puff print, so beautiful. Then on the back, we got that R. you know, for Raw Melon. And it's also Raw Melon in fine print right under there. You got the red target on the back. Listen, man, I think it was a cool feature. I was debating whether to add that on there or to keep it on or to not keep it on. But ultimately, man, y'all know me, the brand Raw Melon stands for being true, being authentic, and taking care of yourself. That's what the brand means. So if you're into that, then that's what Raw Melon stands for. So I believe when you wear this, you're being true, you're being authentic, you're gonna be fly, and you have aspirations to take care of yourself and to really live out the years that God has for you on this earth. And so, you know, I would hope that everybody that purchases from me or has purchased from me understands the meaning of the brand, because a lot of these brands, the people who create the brands don't necessarily stand on good things. And you know, I'm all about the youth, I'm all about positivity, I'm all about, you know, inspiring and motivating people, man. And I think that's what the brand stands for, man. That's all it stands for, man. It's all good, positive things. So in the end of the day, when you wear Raw Melon, man, you in good hands. You in good hands, gang. So like I said, this hoodie right here is retailing for $125 right now on the website. Just go to rawmelonapparel.com. Sorry, rawmelonclothing.com. I keep getting that mixed up because I did change the website a while ago. Link is in the description below. And lock in, man. If I got your size before they go. Today is the first day, so y'all seeing this. Today is February the 14th, 2024. And I hope by the next video that these joints will be gone. You know what I'm saying? So, and we'll talk about what that looks like. And, you know, I'll bring to y'all some of my spring designs and how I go about my designing process and all of that. Just let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But as always, man, you know the saying, man. Love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.